You are welcome. Let me explain to you 7 types of healthy diet plan for your heart. Living with heart disease requires a multi-pronged approach to manage your health. While medication plays a crucial role, a heart-healthy diet is equally important. It can help lower your cholesterol, manage blood pressure, and keep your heart functioning optimally. Watch this video to the end because there is a bonus tip for you after all. So let me explain to you a delicious and heart-friendly diet plan. Number 1. Embrace the power of plants. Make vegetables and fruits the stars of your plate. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. These colorful powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all essential for a healthy heart. Let me put plants into 2 categories. First category, leafy green plants. Load up on spinach, kale, and collard greens. They're rich in vitamins C and K, which can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Second category, berrylicious plants. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your heart cells. Those are the 2 categories of plant-based diet. Before we move on, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for doing so. Now, let's move to number 2, which is whole grains. Ditch refined grains like white bread and pasta for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, keep you feeling full, and may help regulate blood sugar levels, a risk factor for heart disease. Number 3. Healthy fats are your friends. Not all fats are created equal. Swap in healthy saturated and trans fats for heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These good fats can actually lower bad cholesterol and improve blood vessel health. So let me explain 4 categories of good fats. First category, extra virgin olive oil. This liquid gold is a staple in the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. Drizzle it on salads, use it for cooking, or enjoy it with a splash of balsamic vinegar. Second category, avocado. Avocados are a creamy and delicious source of monounsaturated fats. Enjoy them mashed on toast, in salads, or even in a healthy smoothie. Third category, fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats can reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, which is a type of blood fat, and improve blood vessel health. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Fourth category, nut and seed. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of healthy fats and fiber. Enjoy them in moderation as snacks or sprinkle them on salads and yogurt. Those are the 4 categories of good fats. So let's move to the 4th type of healthy diet plans for your heart. Number 4. Lean protein powerhouse. Choose lean protein sources like skinless chicken breast, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. These protein options are lower in saturated fat than red meat and can help you feel satisfied without compromising your heart health. Number 5. Limit sodium the silent culprit. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Aim to consume less than 2,300 milligram of sodium per day, ideally reaching for 1,500 milligrams or less. Read food labels carefully and opt for low-sodium alternatives whenever possible. Number 6. Say no to added sugars. Added sugars contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and can negatively impact heart health. Limit sugary drinks, processed foods, and baked goods. Opt for natural sweeteners like fruits in moderation. Number 7. Spice up your life. Dish the salt shaker and embrace flavorful herbs and spices like garlic, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. These not only add delicious flavor to your food, but also possess anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your heart. Now, as I promised earlier, let me give you 3 bonus tips. Bonus tip number 1. Cooking methods matter. Choose healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, steaming, and poaching instead of frying or deep frying, which can add unhealthy fats to your meals. Bonus tip number 2. Portion control is key. Even healthy foods can have calories. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overeating. Bonus tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body function optimally and keeps your blood pressure regulated. But remember, this is a general guideline. It's crucial to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized heart-healthy meal plan that caters to your specific needs and preferences. They can help you adjust your diet based on any medications you're taking and any existing health conditions. By incorporating these heart-healthy principles into your diet, you'll be well on your way to a stronger and healthier you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.